So have you ever wondered why parts made from iron and steel never rust when they are used in outdoor applications? Right from your small nuts and bolts to angles, channels, girders and even cables used on cable stay bridges like the iconic Bandra Worli Sea Link. So all these parts which are made up of iron and steel have to go through a process commonly known as galvanizing or hot dip galvanizing, where they are passed through or dipped inside a molten bath which consists of zinc having excellent anti-corrosive properties. Zinc is molten at 450 degrees in liquid form, which is used to coat the parts used in various infrastructure projects around the world. So what is the best way to melt zinc at 450 degrees? Yes, you got it right. LPG, the most preferred fuel, the cleanest and the versatile fuel that the world has, is often used to melt zinc and play its part in this important galvanizing process. So if you are using zinc or a hot dip galvanizer, come and talk to us today at Pune Gas. We will be able to help you out, give you better solutions and our best in class products for all your heating applications for the zinc galvanizing process.